How to convert raw photo to PNG on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Find and tap on the photo you want to convert. Tap on the share icon in the bottom left corner. It will open up a section below that shows the share options. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Choose the folder where you want to save the image and tap Save. Now go back to home screen and open the Files app. Navigate to the folder where you've saved your image. Press and hold on the photo to open a menu. Tap on Quick Actions and then select Convert Image. This would open the Convert option on the top. Choose PNG as the desired format. Then select Original. You may also select the image size you prefer. After opening the newly created photo, you may click on the photo name to confirm the format of the image. Following these steps, you can easily convert raw photos to PNG on your iPhone.